This is where modern infrastructure begins. Millions of tons of limestone are mined every year. Raw stone begins its journey to become cement. Crushing reduces stone into workable size. The materials travel through kilometers of automated transport. Every batch is carefully analyzed. Different minerals are blended for the perfect composition. The raw mix is ground into fine powder. Preparation begins before the kiln. Inside this giant kiln, temperatures reach over 1400 degrees Celsius. Chemical reactions transport raw minerals into clinker.
The glowing clinker must cool quickly.
Clinker is stored before final grinding. Grinding transforms clinker into fine cement powder. Only the finest particles become cement. Cement travels through a hidden network of pipes. Finished cement is stored in massive silos. Packaging lines operate with incredible speed. Robots prepare cement for shipment. From factory to construction sites around the world.
Where cement in cement formation, giant fields fundamentally change their structure.
The intense heat of the rotary kiln causes a process known as sintering, where the minerals undergo crucial chemicals.
The cooling process is critical. Air is forced through the grates, rapidly cooling the clinker and stabilizing the reactive minerals.
As the superheated clinker leaves the kiln, it enters the massive cooling system. The temperature drops rapidly before the stones are transported to the grinding silos. Once cooled, the clinker is transported by automated conveyor belts towards the giant silos, ready for the final grinding stage.
This automated storage system guarantees a steady flow of clinker to the mills, ensuring consistent and efficient cement manufacturing around the clock.
Gypsum is crucial in the manufacturing process. It's added during the final grinding to prevent the cement from setting too quickly when water is added.
The massive vertical roller mill crushes the clinker and gypsum. Through intense grinding and vibration, these materials...
The swirling vortex you see inside these cyclones is crucial. This is the precision separation stage, ensuring we capture only the finest cement powder.
The finished cement powder is collected in these giant industrial silos. From here, it's ready for final packaging and distribution.
Unit 1, hold for cross traffic. Unit 5, you are clear to the loading zone.
How cement is manufactured.
Check the pressure on line 3. It's reading high.
Acknowledged. Reducing flow rate now.
Carrying thousands of tons of cement, these vessels are the backbone of global infrastructure projects, navigating.
Once manufactured, the cement is loaded into tanker trucks for distribution, traveling from the port across the industrial landscape and highways.
Inside the ready-mix concrete batching plant, carefully measured amounts of cement powder, sand, and gravel are combined.
How cement is manufactured. The process begins as conveyor belts feed massive amounts of sand and gravel into the mixing.
All right, back it up slow, right to the edge of the framework. We're ready.
Wet concrete is poured into reinforced steel molds, forming the building's foundation. A vibrator ensures To get the concrete mix high above the site, these massive articulated pumps can extend their reach over 200 feet. The wet concrete mixture is pumped through these high-pressure hoses directly into the towering structural columns.
The foundation pour requires a continuous flow of high-strength concrete, ensuring structural integrity and deep underground.
Keep the flow steady, move it to the north side. We need the vibrator over here now.
Here we see the continuous pour. This specialized concrete mix fills the massive cylindrical forms. These towering reinforced concrete pillars are a testament to the strength of modern cement, essential for bridging this wide river.
The cement is rapidly deployed, forming the backbone of the structure as the floors rise in mere moments. To build these colossal towers, the reinforced concrete cores must be poured with precision, a testament to modern cement manufacturing. The specialized cement used in these foundations must withstand extreme pressure and vibration. As the concrete fills the forms, workers use vibrators to remove air pockets, ensuring the structural integrity of the massive dam.
The concrete, now fully mixed, is fed into massive slip-form pavers, which spread the mixture evenly across the highway foundation.
Automated paving machines, known as slip-form pavers, are used to smooth the freshly poured concrete, ensuring a level highway surface.
The massive tunnel boring machine utilizes an erector arm to precisely place the precast concrete segments.
The foundation for a single turbine can require over 1,000 tons of concrete, poured continuously to ensure structural integrity.
The manufacturing process begins here at the port, where raw materials are transported via these massive conveyors. Concrete is the foundation of our modern world, shaping the very landscape of our cities. From these giant rotating kilns comes the fundamental ingredient that builds our modern world. Scene 72. How cement is manufactured. This sprawling metropolis is a testament to the strength and versatility of concrete.
The manufacturing process is continuous. Here, the massive concrete structures and rotating kilns.
We actually did it. Look at that view. All thanks to the strongest cement mix on Earth.
Cement, the key ingredient in concrete, is the foundation of our modern world.
From these towering kilns, the essential building blocks of modern society,
Cement is the bedrock of our modern world, supporting structures that reach for the sky.
From the massive bridges spanning our rivers to the towering skyscrapers, cement quite literally forms the backbone of our modern cities. The manufacturing process of cement has enabled the construction of these massive urban landscapes.
From the quarry, limestone is processed in massive kilns, creating the cement essential for the infrastructure of global trade.
The skyline you see before you stands as a testament to the strength of concrete.
Connecting two continents requires massive amounts of infrastructure, all built from manufactured cement.
We need to ensure the concrete pouring matches these specifications exactly by tomorrow.
Understood, Engineer Lee. I will personally supervise the team.
Concrete is the foundation of our modern world. But how exactly is the crucial ingredient, cement, made?
The cement produced here forms the backbone of our modern cities, utilized in the construction of these towers.
Look at that. We really changed the skyline on this one.
We sure did. It's beautiful from up here.
Cement is the binding agent, the very foundation upon which this enormous metropolitan landscape is built. This essential material forms the backbone of global infrastructure, linking continents and bringing our cities closer together.
The manufacturing of cement begins with the quarrying of limestone, an essential raw material for the process. Cement is a key component in the reinforced concrete used to build these massive high-speed rail bridges.
These massive concrete structures form the backbone of global trade, allowing the transport of vital materials like cement across the world.
This is where it begins.
Cement is the foundation of our modern world, the silent binder that allows these towering structures to reach the sky.
Here at the rotary pistols are made to protect semi-glad.
Is the core ingredient, the very bedrock of our civilization. This is how cement builds the modern world.